Unlike Conan or King Kong, the newest attraction created by Universal's special effects wizards isn't based on fantasy, but on one of reality's most terrifying events. If you think being in an earthquake is eye-opening, look at what it takes to make one happen. To begin with, you'll need to build one of the largest sound stages on Earth. Then add an unprecedented list of special effects, including 2 million volts of man-made lightning, an 11,000-pound concrete slab that can collapse 200 times a day, an out-of-control tractor-trailer, a 40-mile-an-hour subway crash, and on top of all that, literally, a 60,000-gallon, 15-foot-high wall of water.
We have three-dimensional moving objects or animated objects, which are some of the largest animated objects in any show that's ever been made.
Where else but in the world of special effects can you experience a devastating 8.3 earthquake and know you'll come through without so much as a scratch?
On this set, we're going to have a lot of overlapping action that will be seen from a variety of point of views.
Behind this new generation of powerhouse entertainment is a powerhouse team of design and engineering talents.
Everything that happens for MCA Recreation and Universal Studios and the tour originates here. And we're responsible for guiding it all along the way. Initially, what happens when you develop a project, you start off with some real quick sketches so that you have a common denominator that everyone can work from. Okay, the most distinct difference between...
For Universal's special effects design team, impossible challenges are a way of life. These planners are creating the most explosive display of danger ever seen by a live audience.